How to log WhatsApp chats. Hello everyone, welcome to this channel. I'm Emily and I'm here to help you out today. So without any delay, let's get started. Now first thing first, make sure that your WhatsApp application is updated to its latest version. So I'm just going to go and search for WhatsApp on Play Store. Now as you can see, my app is updated and I don't have any option of update on the application, so I'm just going to tap on open and it will lead me to the home page of WhatsApp application of my device. Then I'm going to select the chat that I want to log, so I'm just going to tap any chat, and then here I'm going to select on the group or the chat person's name, tap on that and scroll down and you can see the option of chat log over here. So you can see it has been disabled right now. Now enabling this, tap on continue. Then you need to set a face or fingerprint to lock or unlock this chat. So I'm just going to use this. So tap on continue and use this process and follow the instructions. So after that the chat will be locked and you can hide this chat on the device. So thank you so much for watching this video. If you enjoyed it, don't forget to like, subscribe and hit the bell notification for more updates. That's it for today. See you next time.